I'm Jess from aj Digital, and in this video I'll be giving you a super quick rundown on our Rapid Brainstorm Workshop process and how it can benefit you and your team. Our Rapid Brainstorm Workshop is designed to help you make faster decisions and find quick direction in the span of just 1 to 2 hours. Your problem statement will be the main focus during the entire workshop, and our mission is to help you navigate through the clutter using a clear and structured process. It's also a really great way for you to get your team together, get different perspectives, and work on the solution together to overcome the challenges that your company is currently facing.
During this workshop, we'll be helping you to find out what's working well and what's not, and then we'll address the main challenges by replacing all open, unstructured discussions with a series of activities to make sure everyone's included. And then finally, we'll quickly come up with solutions together and create actionable tasks by the end of the session.
You don't need to stress about coming up with ideas or solutions beforehand. That's what the RBW is there for. So trust in the process, trust. Now, if you have any experience with something similar to a Rapid Brainstorm Workshop or Innovation Sprint, we'd love to know, so leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. We'll also be posting twice a week, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!